Hi Capricorns, this is your tarot reader Urshid and welcome to my channel The Magical Aura. So it's time for your monthly reading of June 2020 for the sign, Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. This is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate with all of you. But if it resonates, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be notified about my latest readings. Alright, so let's proceed towards your reading now. So what's the overall energy? Justice. Alright, something you are waiting for from such a long time. Balance is needed with the weighing machine. I can feel that there is some kind of imbalance in your energy, because your overall energy sometimes this, sometimes that, sometimes you are feeling happy, sometimes emotional, sometimes sad, sometimes like crying and telling everyone that this is because of this person, this is because of this person. But sometimes you are like, no, the reason of all this thing is me, it's all because of me, which I can see with the Justice card. This is actually karmic imbalances. You are dealing with the situation because at present you are dealing with this situation because of some karmic imbalances. There was something in your past karma, you did something, that is why you are paying all the debts in this life, and they has to balance. There is nothing like you cannot, if you keep doing wrong things, wrong, so this side will weigh more. That is why you have to weigh it, you have to balance it, so that in both the lives, in your past lives, everything should be balanced. This is why you are facing so much problems in your life, and once it will be balanced, you will again start improving yourself, you will start working on yourself, you will have a life which you wanted, but it just needs to take some time. Okay, so let's see what is the present energy, what's going on in the present. Okay, Page of Cups, what's crossing over this? Seven of Pentacles, a very slow energy, just like you. You are waiting for some kind of communication, I can see, and this is taking a lot of time. That is why you are not able to show, you are not able to do what you actually wanted to do. Let's see, you are waiting for some kind of new job opportunity, some different career, or something you are waiting for such a long time. Maybe if it regards with some court issues, you are waiting for those things as well, and there is something you have been waiting from such a long time, and that is why you are not able to do what you actually wanted to do. Let's see what's in your mind, what's going on in your mind. It's the Five of Swords. A lot has been seen by you. You are not letting the things go. Last time also, whenever I do your reading, Capricorns, it's always like you don't let the problems leave you. You don't let go of things. You are the one who is victimized. You always feel the victim. You always play the role of the victim. I know that, but there are some things which you have to let go. That is why this weight will be over, and you will do the things which you are passionate about. With this Page of Cups, this page is like this person wants to start something new. There is a lot of things in front of this page, But how much time will you wait for that? If you will not let go of the things, the cycle will repeat again. And that is why this justice card has appeared. Your karma, you are not letting go. I know you are suffering a lot, but you have to let go for some things. So what's in your past? Star. A lot of healing has been done, but and I can see that healing has been done, but you know the problems were so deep, your scars were so deep that you are not even fully healed because of those problems, and you are not able to move on because of that. But healing was there. That's really good. Okay, so what's the reason of the reading? Queen of Pentacles. For some, I can see money is the reason. For some, independence. The reason of today's reading is independence. You want to settle things. You want everything so that you will not be harmed. You want yourself to be healthy, to be happy, to live a life full of independence, to do whatever you wanted to do, to move to places, to go to different cities, explore different places. You want to do whatever makes you happy. But because of the delay, because of this Seven of Pentacles, you are not able to do that. So let's see what's the future has for you. Moon. Okay. Star and moon, very nice. I can see that, you know, it will take a little time for you. You need to let go of many things. You have to heal fully, because you are not fully healed. If you want this thing to happen, if you want to start something new in your life, you have to let go of many things, and it will take time. But I know there are some hidden feelings inside you which you are not able to tell everyone. You just tell to those people with whom you are comfortable with. But there is a lot inside you. It's hidden, actually. With the moon, I can also see that you should also see your moon sign as well. For it can be for moon Capricorn, this reading can be, or it can also mean that you should just look my reading for moon, your moon sign as well, if this is you are looking for another sign. Okay, so what do you actually want? You want happiness. If this is the Page of Cups which you are actually at, and you want to become the King of Cups. You want everything. You know, you love music, you love pets, you love dogs, cats, basically all those things with which emotions can be seen. And that is why you are over here now, and you want to be here. And with Nine of Pentacles, you want everything to be achieved, and I think you will achieve that thing. There will be a time when your things, whatever you desire, it will come true. It will come true. You don't have to worry for that. Let's see what the other people around you, how are they around you. The High Priest. Okay, so there are some people around you which I can see that, or a person it can be. In June, what will happen? I guess there will a person who will be the wisest of your family. You will call that person. You almost listen to that person. So I can see that a person will come, and he or she will tell you what to do, what not to do, and he will be a great help for you, for in your life. It can be a younger person as well. It does not has to be a person who is very much old. A wise person does not needs to be old. A wise person can be anyone. Okay, it can be a Taurus as well, I can see. So might be you will be able to get some help. Just listen to everyone in June. Try to listen and understand other people's perspective as well. Okay, so let's see, how are you emotionally feeling? You are still in the past. Emotionally, you are in the past. You are thinking about your, if you were in some kind of old job or some kind of passion, I can see that. Some people who love drawing, who love to write some poetry, who love to write a book, so they are actually doing that thing, because this quarantine time is a very beautiful time. I guess this is something which you want to do in your life, and you want your passion to make your profession. But, and that is why I guess this all is happening. There are some other problems going on in your life, so because of that you are not able to pursue your dreams. Okay, so final outcome, let's see the final outcome. Queen of Cups, wow. Page of Cups, we have King of Cups, we have the Queen of Cups. So much of emotions, Capricorn. This is more of a water energy, I can see. Your final outcome, I really feel that you are full of emotions in June, and this is a very beautiful energy. This lady is sitting over there in her emotions, just feeling some things. So your emotional energy is very strong in June, but sometimes you really need to think from your brain as well. So don't let this emotional energy make you emotional fool out of it. Okay, so just look before you do anything, because I can see in your mind you are not very very happy. You are stressed, you felt defeated. That is why all these emotions are coming up in June. I want to clarify some cards. I want to clarify this Justice card. Why is this Justice card here? What actually this card is telling us? Justice. Okay. So this is the, what is, it came reversed. Okay, I'll take it upright only. Okay, so confusion is there. With the Seven of Cups, I can see that there are many things in your life. Same with the Seven of Pentacles, it is delaying the things which you have thought. With the Nine of Pentacles as well, you have a lot in your life, a lot. You want to do that, you want to do this, you want to explore new places, you want to go to shopping, buy new things, something, you want to make a home just like you ever dreamt about. But because of some problems which are going in your life, you are not able to do that thing. Let's see what is this Page of Cups about. Okay, I have a card over here. Five of Swords again. Yeah. So your current energies, they are very much with stress. You have a lot of stress, you have a lot of a feeling of being defeated, and that is why it's taking a lot of time, because you yourself are not letting your problems go. If you will let the things go, it will automatically you will come towards this King of Cups and Queen of Cups as well. Okay, do some meditation, do some yoga, just heal yourself from within. It's not like you are laughing from outside, but from inside you are crying. No, you don't want that. You have to heal yourself fully. You have started healing, but you need to fully heal yourself. I'll see what is the Star. Justice again. Yes. Karmic imbalances. See this thing? The scales are up. They are, one is up, one is down. So a lot of karmic imbalances. The process of karmic imbalances is going on in this month, and after that many things will start changing, which I can see over here. Let's see the moon in your future energy. What has this moon? The Hermit. Yes, Hermit card is for those, it is a Virgo card actually. It means that many things are hidden and you have to explore within yourself. See, with this lamp, this person is doing what he is doing. He wants to look out for some things. He wants to look, what is the main problem? Why is this happening with me always? So you have to do, you have to heal yourself. All the inner healing has to be done. Okay, read some motivational books as well. You will get a lot of help. I don't know why with the inner healing I came about the name of that Inner Engineering book by Sadhguru. I haven't read it, but it's a very beautiful book which I got to know, so you can read that also. I want to see what is the High Priest about. So many cards. Alright, 3 cards popped up. 5 of Pentacles, 7 of Swords, and 6 of Rods. You will be able to see in June some people's new faces. Actually, because this was a card about the people around you. They will be feeling left out because you have decided something and you are strict in your decision. You are consistent. But this person, whosoever you are dealing with, because you have left that person, and that person will start feeling left out. So that is why there will be a person who will come in between, or it can be your father, it can be your anyone who is very wise, with whom you like talking and you love to share your problems with that person. That person will guide you something, so please do listen to that person. That is very important. I don't know why this is coming a lot in my mind, so that is why I'm just telling you. Okay, so let's see the final outcome of the Queen of Cups. Judgment, yes. Final outcome is, wow, Judgment. The Judgment Day will come. You will be victorious. With the 6 of Wands over here, you will win the situation. With whichever you are dealing with, you will win that situation. Judgment Day will come and you will get whatever you desire. Okay, so that's all from my side for Capricorns. I really hope you like the reading. So thanks a lot, Capricorns. We'll meet you in next video. Bye.